I started locking my hair like officially. You know, when you go in with the retie and you do I think it's like the 4-point turn where where is it? I think it's 12, 9, 3, 6, right? As opposed to I think it's 9, 6. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to figure it out as I go. I just started. Yeah. So I'm doing the 2-point turn. I was doing the 4-point, but I started the 2-point. So the thing is, I've officially, today is the 7th. I've officially had these twists in for 2 weeks. And honest to God, like I'm going to call them locks because there's no way I'm taking them out. Absolutely no way. And one of the things that inspired me to go microlocks, to go this small, is because I recalled having the mini twist, like the very popular video that I did with the Jamaican twist, and I did it so small. And I really enjoyed that hair, right? The smallness of it, the shape, the fullness of it. It was kind of full, no lie, right? And so I'm like, you know what? I like that mini twist. Let me try that. And using that method of mini twist that we have right here to mimic what I installed with the Jamaican twist, it's the way I did this, it's so full, and I'm just praying to God that it will remain full and it will remain manageable and it would just go well. Right before, there was like I think twice I wanted to start doing mini twists. No, the microlocks. I keep mini twist microlocks. There's a point that I wanted to do. The last video that I done with the natural hair video, I wanted to keep those mini twists in to form microlocks, but I didn't like it. The way that I installed it, like it seemed as if I used an actual grid, right? Whereas this one, I honestly didn't use a grid. Like over time, I may show you guys, like there's no bust down middle part. There's none of that. It's just free flowing. Some of it is cohesively unified, but there's no grid going on, right? So if I wanted to part down the middle, it wouldn't look like a straight down part. It would look zigzag. And I think I purposely did that because I went in with the notion that, you know what, this is not about an aesthetic. This is about me seriously just saying, okay, you know what, this is what we're going to do. And this is going to be permanent. And I'm going to not do it the traditional way where it's grids and what have you. I'm going to do it the way that I like it. And honestly, I went in with that mindset. And to be honest with you, I'm here right now and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I like this. Why didn't I try it sooner? You know, and to be honest with you, like I prayed about it and I'm like, God, okay, I enjoyed my natural hair. It is the longest that I've ever grown it and the healthiest by far. And I enjoyed doing the crochet braids because I've rocked crochet braids for over 7, 8 years, 7, 8 years. No, 6, 7 years. And that allowed me to just develop this creativity for my hair, but it was still one of those things where I had to get up and I had to fix the hair in a way where, do I like it? Is it okay this way? And kind of change it, right? As opposed to the way that I have these microlocks, future microlocks, the way I have these, it says, you know, okay, in the night, I do it up because I'm like, I know I want to have it up. And I want to leave out this portion. So at times I'll go do the swoop here or do the swoop here. And if you guys know and you've been following me for a while, you do know that when I was straightening my hair and I had no idea as to what I was doing, I did straighten the front of my hair and I had this part braided down, right? But now that is not the case, right? So I'm like, let me mimic this style and see if this is how I'd want it. And I fell in love with just the way that it was, like swoop like this and then have it up like that, right? And so because I have it up like this, um it reminds me of how, like I said, like I used to do it when I was a straight natural trying to figure it out. And so I feel like this microlocks is so versatile where I can style it just the same, just that it's in mini twists and I don't have to really worry about laying my edges and just slapping on the edge control and what have you, right? And so it works out perfect. So this is it. Yes, don't mind me. I do put in some like edge control, and I think later I might show you guys that. But for now, it is how I'm gonna rock my hair. And so like I said, with this, it's so versatile, it's so freeing. I get up, like I style it from the night, right? I just twist it, this is up, go to sleep like this, wake up in the morning, and I unwind it, unravel it, dab a little bit of edge control or reapply it or what have you, and I'm done. Less than 5 minutes, I promise you. And so I'm like, why didn't I think of this sooner? Right? So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I started this, and I am so grateful to God that I did that. Anyways, I am going to go right now. So God willing, I will see you all. So that's that. So stay tuned for next time.